In this time I will show you how to make knitted 3D pattern. Pattern consists of 24 stitches and repeats from the first to the 14th row. For work you need a ball of yarn, knitting circular needles and cable needle. Let's get started knitting. Begin the work by making 28 stitches. I cast on 28 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. I have done 28 stitches. Begin row 1, slip the first 8 stitch purlwise, purl 1, make 24 knits. I have done 24 stitches, purl 1 and purl the last 8 stitch. Turn the work, begin row 2. Then I'm going to knit the knits and purl the purls into the each row in the reverse side. I have done 2 rows. This is 2 additional rows. Let's begin first row of the main pattern. Slip the first 8 stitch, purl the last 8 stitch, slip the first 8 stitch purlwise, purl 1. Now work with cable stitch. I slide next 3 stitches onto the cable needle and hold them down at the front. Knit next 3 stitches from the main needle and work with the stitches that was onto the cable needle. Slide them back onto the main needle and knit 3. Then 18 knits. Purl next stitch and purl the last 8 stitch. Then knit the knits and purl the purls in the next row. Begin the 3rd row of the main pattern. Slip the first 8 stitch, purl, knit 3, then work with cable stitch. Slide next 3 stitches onto the cable needle, hold them down on the front, knit 3 from the main needle, then slide them back, knit 3, (15 knits), purl, and purl the last 8 stitch. Knit the knits and purl the purls in the next row. Slip the first 8 stitch purlwise, purl 1, knit 6, then slide next 3 stitches onto the cable needle, knit 3 from the main needle, and knit 3 from the cable needle. Knit 12, purl, and purl the last 8 stitch. Knit the knits and purl the pulls in the next row. Begins the 7th row. Slip the first 8 stitch, then purl, knit 9, slide next 3 stitches from the main needle to the cable needle, then knit 3, slide back 3 stitches, knit 3, knit 9, purl 2, purl the purls and knit the knits in the next row. Begin the 9th row, slip the first 8 stitch, purl, knit 12, then work cable needle, slide the next 3 stitches onto the cable needle, knit 3, then slide back the previous 3 stitches, knit 3, knit 6, and purl 2. Knit the knits and purl the purls in the next row. Begin row 11, slip the first 8 stitch purlwise, purl, knit 15, slide the next 3 stitches onto the cable needle, knit 3 in from the main needle, then slide back the previous 3 stitches and knit 3. Knit 3 and purl 2. Knit the knits and purl the pulls in the next row. Begin the 13 rows. Slip the first 8 stitch, purl 1, knit 18, . Then slide the next stitch onto the cable needle. Slide next stitches onto the cable needle. Work with 3 next stitches from the main needle. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and I will work with stitches that was onto the cable needle. Knit 3, purl, and purl 1 more stitch. Knit the knits and purl the purls in 14th row. I have done 14 rows. I remind you, pattern consists of 14 rows. In this case I have done additional 2 rows. Then you should repeat from the 1st to 14th row. I continued the work. As you can see, I have made pattern 3 times. So I have got beautiful, amazing pattern. I remind you, the pattern consists of 24 stitches plus 2 purl stitches plus 2 8 stitches. These 2 purl stitches, each side has 1 stitch that we did from more beautiful look. You can make 2 or 3 or 5 purl stitches. This is by your wish. Let me show you another example. As you remember, in tutorial 35 we did beautiful exact pattern, but in this case 3D pattern on the right side. Also, you can join these 2 pieces together in large piece of work. You can connect 2 pieces in this way. It is going to be the heart shape.
Rachel Boutique is the unique, stylish, handmade clothing studio of Elena Rugal. Together with purchasing ready clothes, you can also order any model you like at the boutique to be made special for you. Thanks for watching.